Hi everyone, and welcome to the very rainy week 10 of Writing 213. So this is our last official week of classes. Next week you will complete, in lieu of a final exam, a reflection of your work over the course of the summertime. Reflection is a really important tool for learning. Understanding how we've grown, where we've come from are really important in developing as literate people over the course of our lives. So I am nearly caught up with grading with a few exceptions. And by tomorrow, I think I will be fully caught up with all my classes in grading. This week for media, you shouldn't be reading anything else for class except for pieces that are related to your project. Tomorrow, your multimedia project draft is due to me. So you should send me a draft if you want to participate in the peer review. It's okay if you don't participate in it or if you seek readers in your own way. It doesn't have to be complete. If you're doing a video, it can be the script. You can write out for your reader, I'm going to do this, or in this section, I plan to do this. But you should have enough of a skeleton there that your reader can follow the arc of your project and understand where you're headed, so they can provide you, the valuable feedback that you need to make it better. Starting on Tuesday, we will engage in our final peer review for the semester. So from Tuesday through Thursday, you will have to work with your small group to make your project better, to offer other people suggestions and see what they're doing. And then the multimedia presentation is due on Sunday, the 24th. That's the last official day of the summer session. And then next week, I'll post one last assignment, which will be a reflection on your work for the semester. I'll be in my office hours this week as usual. Make sure you can tag me on any of your work. If you have a question and you don't have time to come to my office hours, you can schedule another time to meet with me if you'd like. Take care, everyone. I wish you all the best of luck working through these rainy days.